So I decided to go ahead and use the green, card blank for this card. I think I'm going to do a happy birthday. They have Mother's Day. They have lots of love, happy birthday. So I think I might do a happy birthday. We'll see. I kind of don't know, what I want to make until I start making it. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay. But I went ahead and folded that, and I chose the paper, and I'm going to cut the paper down. I just love this. I'm going to use this piece. I'm going to cut this down. So let's go ahead and make this card. Okay. So I cut my paper down, and I decided to go ahead and use this little yellow piece on top of the green card for a background, because I wanted a little bit of yellow peeking out, because I think that I'm going to use one of the yellow toppers here. So yeah, and then I want the pink. I cut down the floral page just to be just a tad smaller than that, just to have a little bit of, the peeking out of the background. Now you can obviously measure it and cut it, to the size you want it or whatever, because sometimes you may want it smaller or bigger or whatever. I mean, smaller anyway. And I believe this is a 4x6 card. So yeah, that's cute. It's going to be nice and layered after we're done. That's cute, right? Okay. Let's go ahead and embellish it and see what we come up with, okay? So I use my glue runner to put the paper on top of the card. So when you open it, it's going to look like that, okay? Now I'm going to just use the second piece and put some double-sided tape on here like I did the last one. It's just going to be some easy breezy cards, simple and easy enough to make. Because imagine if you were to go to a card store and buy these, it'd still be like, $3-4 a pop, So yeah, we're going to just make these. It's just an easy card making little kit from a magazine that we're trying. I'm using the stuff from the magazine to make the cards. Isn't this cute? I just love this. You get so much stuff, and you can reuse all this stuff later with all of your own embellishments as well. So I'm using the double-sided tape because I want it to have a little 3D effect. Although this is paper, so you have to be a little bit gentle with it. As opposed to cardstock, which is a little heavier. So I'm going to go ahead and just lay this on top because I want it to have a nice layered look. Okay. And this is going to be... Oh, yeah, that's pretty. Wow, look at that already. I like the little yellow peeking through the background. That's cute. Very pretty. Okay, so now we're just going to use our embellishments. And they have such pretty ones. I don't know. Oh, let me see. What am I gravitating towards? Because I think if you use this and this, that's too much. And let me see. Are we going to do happy birthday? What do y'all want to do? Let me see. Oh, how about, you know what? Let's do Mother's Day. Yay. We're going to do Mother's Day. I was looking for a Mother's Day one. Oh, yay. Look at that with the yellow. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, this is cute. Oh, let me see. You can lay it on there, take it out and see before we commit. I'm always one of these people that like to lay things out before you commit to anything. Just to see how it's going to look. Because sometimes, you have all these bright ideas to make things, and it's like, ooh, it looks hideous. Let's do it again. Oh, well, no, it's a little busy, huh? Let me see. I think I need yellow. What you think? I think I need yellow. Let me see. Let's try this one. Oh, yay. I like that. I like that it stands out a little bit. Let me see. Too much? Oh, that's kind of pretty. Huh. Is it too busy? Too much? Too much going on with that and that? If it's too much, Stephanie, it probably is too. If you have to ask, it probably is too much. This one's a little small. Okay, so I had to go into digging my stash because I wasn't really feeling the vibe of the card. I felt like it needed a little something extra, so I could pull out my dollar store stickers. These little white stickers. Got them at the dollar store. So cute and inexpensive still. So we're still sticking with the budget theme of the card making for our magazine, our paper, and our toppers here and everything else. So I'm kind of liking the way this was laying out. I had to lay it out because I wasn't really sure. So I think I like this design so far. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just put it down and, finish the card. I just wanted the cards to be kind of simple, but still pretty. You know what I mean? All right, so I want that to kind of stand out 3D like. And I'm going to put my little Mother's Day. So I got Mother's Day. So I have my my little topper here. I'm going to put my flowers down. I just placed them here because I wanted to see how it looks. And go from there, you know, because I wasn't feeling it at first. Now I think I kind of like it. It's kind of cute. And it's okay to add other little small embellishments because these are sort of budget cards, you know. I have some other card making videos coming out that are a little over the top. So you may want to stay tuned for that. Yeah. Okay, so I like this. Wait, but you know what? I want to put a piece of double-sided tape on my little flower here. This is my flower. Because I'm going to stick that and this kind of together. Kind of like it's almost kind of jumping out at you. Yeah, kind of like that. Kind of tucked behind there. Oh, yeah. See? I love it. I love it. And these are already stickers. So there's already stuck on here. And I think I like the way that that's laying out. And I had one more flower somewhere. Let's see. I think I'm going to put one more flower on here. And these are just, wait, let me see. And these are just stickers as well. So they already have the little sticky backs on them. And I love it. Oh, isn't that sweet? That's such a sweet little card. Look at that. Easy breezy. Cute little Mother's Day card. Done. Now you can add anything to this you like. I wanted to use most everything from the magazine, which I did. And the only thing I added was the little dollar store flower. So that's really cute. That's such a sweet little card. So we have two cute little cards here. Let me see. You know what? I think, let's see. I think I'm going to add another little flower to this little girl. Is that too much? Here I am asking this too much. You know, I love flowers, so I add flowers to pretty much anything I will. Because I want it to be pretty, you know, cute and simple. Can be nice. All right, so we got two little flowers on there. Oh, that's better. All right, so we got ourselves a lots of love card and a cute little Mother's Day card. Yay, two cute little cards. Okay, from our magazine, our Make Special Cards magazine. I love it. These are very simple and easy cards to make. You can always add your own embellishments and anything else you like. Okay, wow, look at that. Nice, sweet little card. Should we make one more? Because I already used the green and the pink. Let's see. Let's try to make one more. Okay. And then we have ourselves a nice little trio going. Okay, so those are our two. I love these. Really cute. Okay, so we're going to make a happy birthday. And I had to cut the paper down and choose the embellishments. I wasn't sure, you know, what direction I was going to go. And I guess that's kind of the fun of it. So I decided to use the turquoise colored base, card base. The pink background paper, because it's kind of a it's not a very busy background paper. And then I'm going to use the one with the little baskets and flowers. I think that all that layered together looks really nice, you know, really cute. Okay, so we're just going to do this the same way we did the others. Glue it down, you know, put our double-sided tape on it, and then we're going to embellish it, and that's it. Simple, easy. I like to make, you know, want us to make some easy cards here. You know, could probably make all these within an hour if you wanted to. Maybe less, you know, depending on, you know, what you want to do here. So I'm just going to lay this down. And I wanted some of the turquoise to peek through a little bit. You know, I really wanted some of the turquoise to peek through so you can see some of that in the background. I'm going to put my paper on it like that. And then we're going to be done. Yay, really cute. Okay, so I glued down the paper to the card with the double-sided tape, and I'm going to start embellishing it. Now, I looked through the magazine, and they have some ideas in the magazine that, you know, obviously you can, how to make the cards. But even with that, or with any kit, I generally like to make things my own. You know what I mean? You can follow the guide if you so choose, but I just like to make it my own because I think it's a lot more special that way. So that's why I'm just kind of putting it together the way that I want it to. It just looks more interesting to me. You know, as opposed to just kind of copying out of the magazine, which you can certainly do. You know, you can certainly do that. But, yeah, see, so look at that. Really cute.